This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 11 of Building Robocop. Mr. Cop to you. Looking at the history, success on the big screen. I obviously came out in the cinema, but I've got no idea about cinema release at all. I don't remember it. I only remember it as being a home movie. But yeah, it obviously did quite well. So what we are doing now is not finishing, but doing a little bit more of the right arm. We're finishing the wrist piece and putting the hand in place. So yeah, nice quick build on this one. Doing the right arm. There we go. I think next time we're finishing off the right arm with the top shoulder piece. A robot to commemorate the coronation. Robot of him. Interesting. Cool. Air interfaces. Just not having a physical thing, just gesture controls and things like that. I've never heard them called air interfaces before, though. It fits, it works. It's just not what I would have called it. Yep, there we go, that's that. So, yeah, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this hand attached. Right, here we go. We've got two parts, a nice rubbery wrist piece, and the first part that we're going to be putting in place is this, which is just the piece that covers over that bit there. We've got one bigger hole, one smaller hole, so it'll only go one way round, and that just pops in place like that. Not entirely certain why it's a separate piece, but it is. Then we get to pop this in place. Now there is a flat underside to one side of that, and there's a flat underside to there, so it's got to go that way round, and it just pops over there and then just pops in to there. So you've got the movement there if you need it a little bit, but not very much. But we do then need to attach the hand. We've got the right hand here, obviously good to go. It does says, it says, pop off the outside, and then it says retrieve the hand, remove the hand, loosen the screws. So we do need a screwdriver. We need to loosen off the 4 screws out of the back here. I was wondering about that when we came to attach this, because it felt like that was going to be a very tight fit. I think I put the wrong screwdriver out. I think it needs a slightly smaller screwdriver than that, because it's not fitting in there very well. So let's try one that's a little bit smaller. There we go. So we'll loosen these 4 screws just a bit. 2, 3, and 4. Pop that on in place. This is the inside of the wrist. There we go. That goes on there. Tighten that back up. I'll tighten them back up in a minute. And then that will magnetically attach back over there. So that's the hand and wrist approaching being done. So thank you very much for joining me on this. I shall see you next time when I think we're finishing off the top of the arm. So I'll see you for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.